Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys, SM Computer Incorporated. Maglakwatsa naman po kami guys. Punta kami sa downtown. Kami dun sa release ng train kuhaan nagwagol-wagol ang gulong guys Dalhin muna namin sa Nissan, baka yung gulong na otso na
Spring summer events cancel.
Ito na kami guys Ito naman kami sa paputang sa Libertyville. Dalhin namin to kasi wagol-wagol ang gulong. I have to bring it to the dealer for maintenance. We're going to Libertyville. So that's what's the street? This is Gold Road. No, this is not Gold Road. This is Milwaukee Avenue guys. Going to Libertyville. Kasi doon namin binili yung kotse niya guys sa Libertyville Nissan. Covered pa ng warranty. Okay, so yan pala ang compass guys tingin kami compass guys, kaya papalitan daw ni Joshua tong Nissan na to ng compass. Yan ang Jeep compass.
Huwag kang mag-video dyan, mapagalitan tayo.
Patayin mo ba? Yan na yung Vermont Hills guys, sa Hawthorne Mall. Yan, dadaan kami minsan dyan guys. So tingnan nyo guys, maraming mga
mo ako doon
sige, saan tayo doon? Dito kami sa bago nilang dinevelop na shopping mall guys meron din mga condo. Yan, Melody Farm. Yan po yan dito sa Kuan here in Vermont Hills. Libertyville. So welcome to Libertyville. Yeah. Dito na kami sa Libertyville guys. So we're heading to Nissan Libertyville. Cause we have to bring the car for maintenance. Ayan na po, yan mga Acura Sabi ko sa'yo, yan naman nandun na yung Nissan. Madaan ka dito kayo. Huwag mong ipauntol naman, baka lagong mautso ang gulong natin. Guys, nice weather, sunny. 51 here in Libertyville. dami mang tao dito sa Libertyville, so.
Ano na magwala?
Parang wala nang kuan din eh. Virus na nakarating din eh. Oh. Dami, mas sobrang dami guys. Oh. Parang kuan lang, normal ang kanilang life cycle din eh sa Libertyville. Huh? Seems nothing happened here. It's normal. Not like in our place, guys. Service. Tire. Buy 3 tire, get 1 free. Yan. Dito na kami guys sa Nissan. Ba't ipasok mo dito? Huwag mo na ipasok.
Pasok yan.
Ha?
Pasok.
Okay.
Yes,
What time is it? Huh?
3:14.
3:14? 4:14 already.
4:14.
Yeah, almost 4 hours. 1 hour already. We're waiting here at the lobby. Hindi pa tapos guys paggawa. 1 hour na. Nakuha na namin ang sasay. We got the car guys, but so we will be coming back Thursday guys. So balik kami doon sa dealer guys sa Thursday. Okay? Uwi na kami guys. Ito na kami sa Vermont Hill. Alas 4:38 na guys in the afternoon, pero we arrived at the dealer at exactly 3 o'clock guys, but we got the car at around almost 1 hour and 45 minutes guys ang gawa nila.
Not one good day.
Okay guys, kain na make steak guys oh, saka soup. Yan ang chip cook namin guys oh, si Joshua.
Ay, ligo, di pa kita.
Kinuha talaga ang bone, no?
Wala nang dugo.
No ka ba? Doberman o German Shepherd?
No.
Gusto mo ang...
yan. Tama na yan, oh.
Gusto mo ang kuan? Yung buto-buto. Mati naman, masarap. Ano, masarap?
Perfect.
Mo pa nga natikman eh. Ano? Good? 100%? Yung soup. Saka yung steak. Yan po yung review ko guys sa steak na to. Masarap. So guys oh. Ha?
Saan yan binili?
Masarap.
Siguro.
Super.
Dito ko na.
Masarap guys. Talaga.
John, dali John!
John!
Super. Downtown guys oh. So guys, that's my vlog for today guys. This is done SM Computer Incorporated. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Saka leave a comments kung saan kami magtutour next time guys.